Hi, I'm Dr. Marianne Cintron. I'm not a medical doctor, but I am an education doctor. And I had a bout with cancer at the end of 2021, and I had a hysterectomy, and I started one chemo session. I was scheduled to have 6 different chemotherapy treatments 3 weeks apart. And I went full faith, believing that I was going to be strong and healthy and not have the typical side effects people have from chemotherapy. However, one chemotherapy session was enough for me. And I'm making so many changes to my lifestyle as far as eating organic, organic fruits and vegetables and juicing every day and using ceramic pans. And I have a cold pressed juice that I got for Christmas and a juicer. And I'm just so excited to share that with you for healthy eating. But this is about alternatives to chemotherapy. I'm not talking about places you can go to get alternative treatments. I do want to share the truth about cancer, a global quest. And this is a video series documentary from Ty Bollinger. You can get this on Amazon. There's nine videos or DVDs that are pretty amazing. And we watched one a day to get through them. And I learned so much about ways to eat and ways to, supplements I've already taken, and then some new things. But one thing I was really excited about was when one of the videos talked about Essiac. And I had heard about Essiac from a friend in San Diego who's also a cancer survivor. And Essiac is the spelling backwards of Cassie, Cassie. There's a gal named Rene Cassie who created Essiac, and it's we call it a tincture. It goes under your tongue. You can take 6 to 10 drops 3 times a day. And the neat thing about it, it goes right into your system. It doesn't go through the digestive system, which I understand you lose 70% of nutrients that goes through the digestive tract. But there's a report available on Secrets of Eden. Secrets of Eden is a Christian place where you can buy a lot of homeopathic treatments, and the Essiac tincture is available there. And they have a wonderful video about Rene Cassie, but you actually have to put the Essiac tincture in your shopping cart, and then go below and read about it, and you'll see a video about Rene Cassie. But I want to read from the Essiac Report, because her findings have pretty much been buried, hidden, not brought out to the open. And it hurts my heart because I have so many friends, well, not so many, I have one friend still in chemotherapy. And I have several friends and friends of friends who have finished chemo and are still really struggling. What I learned was that the chemotherapy kills the cancer cells as well as your red and white blood cells. And we know we need our red and white blood cells to build our immune system, especially right now when we're going through COVID. We want strong immune systems. So I don't want to compromise my immune system. So I take very many supplements that my homeopathic doctor already recommended because of my body type and my situation, but I'm no longer on high blood pressure medicine. And anyway, I'm just so excited to share these letters with you from the Essiac Report. This letter is from Dr. Charles Brusch from Cambridge, Massachusetts. He writes, "To whom it may concern, many years have gone by since I first experienced the use of Essiac with my patients who are suffering from many varied forms of cancer. I personally monitored the use of this old therapy along with Rene Cassie, RN, whose many successes were widely reported. Rene worked with me at my medical clinic in Cambridge, Massachusetts, where under the supervision of 18 of my medical doctors on staff, she proceeded with a series of treatments on terminal cancer patients, and laboratory mice. Together, we refined and perfected her formula. On mice, it has been shown to cause a decided recession of the mass and a definite change in cell formation. Clinically, on patients suffering from pathology, proven cancer, it reduces pain and causes recession and growth. Patients gained weight and showed a great improvement in their general health. Their elimination improved considerably and their appetite became whetted. Remarkably, beneficial results were obtained even on those cases at the end of the road where it proved to prolong life and the quality of life. In some cases, if the tumor didn't disappear, it could be surgically removed after the Essiac with less risk of metastasis resulting in new outbreaks. Hemorrhage has been rapidly brought under control in many difficult cases. Open lesions of lip and breast respond to treatment, and patients with cancer of stomach have returned to normal activity among many other remembered cases. Also, intestinal burns from radiation were healed and damage replaced, and it was found to greatly improve whatever the condition. All the patient cases were diagnosed by reputable physicians and surgeons. I do know that I have witnessed in my clinic and know of many other cases where Essiac was the therapy used, a treatment which brings about restoration through destroying the tumor tissue and improving the mental outlook, which reestablishes physiological function. I endorse this therapy even today, for I have in fact cured my own cancer, the original site of which was the lower bowel, through Essiac alone. My last complete examination, when I was examined throughout the intestinal tract while hospitalized, and that was October of 1989, for hernia problem, revealed no sign of malignancy. Medical documents validate this. I have taken Essiac every day since my diagnosis in 1984, says Dr. Charles Brusch. And my recent examination has given me a clear bill of health. Okay. And doctor continues to say, I remained a partner with Rene Cassie because she's not here any longer, until her death of 1978, and was the only person who had her complete trust and to whom she confided her knowledge and know-how of what she named Essiac. Others have imitated, but a minor success rate should never be accepted to the true therapy which is available. And this is executed as a legal document, and it's from Charles Brusch, and you can get the full Essiac report on Secrets of Eden. So go to secretsofeden.com. If you want to comment or respond to me in any way, please comment on this YouTube. Share this with anybody that you know who's suffering with a lot of physical illness, possible cancer, because there is an alternative to chemotherapy. We are a nonprofit organization. If this has blessed you, please consider making a donation on our website, dyslexia-solutions.com. Bye-bye now.